Alright, this time we'll try to discuss yung about dito sa ating toolbar. So before nitong ating tutorial na to, ng video na to, na-discuss natin yung interface ng Adobe Photoshop. And part ng interface niya is our toolbar. This is our toolbar. Pwede natin siyang set ng mahaba pababa or nakaset siya ng mas maiksi para mas madali makita. But it depends on your preference. Pwede natin siyang higitin dito sa gitna para mas makita natin siya. This is our tool. Ayan. So, simulan natin yung discussion natin about dito sa toolbar and paano ba natin siya ginagamit. Let's try. Start tayo kay Move Tool. Alright. So, dito kay Move Tool, ayan. Marami siyang family, Move Tool and Artboard Tool. Focus tayo kay Move Tool. Ano bang kayang gawin ni Move Tool? Like I mentioned before, pag gina-hover natin yung ating cursor, yung arrow ng mouse, doon sa mga tools, nagpapakita siya ng mga tips and clues kung paano siya ginagamit at kung para saan siya or kung ano ba siya. So, we will use this advantage para makita natin yung actual na usage niya based doon sa industry ng Adobe Photoshop. Ano siya ginagamit. So, let's see. Start tayo kay Move Tool. Let's try to play the video.
The Move tool is an essential part of Photoshop, allowing you to move not only individual layers, but entire groups. This makes it a powerful tool for organizing and arranging your workspace. With the Move tool, you can also rotate, skew, and scale your selections. Just make sure the Show Transform Controls options in the Options bar is enabled. Once enabled, you'll see transform handles around the corners of your selection. Click and drag these handles to modify your selection. And don't forget, you can quickly access the Move tool at any time by pressing V on your keyboard. The Move tool also has an auto select feature, which allows you to easily switch between selecting layers and groups. To use this feature, simply enable the auto select checkbox in the options bar and choose either layer or group from the drop-down menu. For more precise adjustments, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge elements in small increments. And here's an advanced tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging an element with the Move tool to constrain its movement to a straight line, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally.
Okay, alright, rock and roll. So that's our Move tool. So basically, ginagamit natin siya pang move ng object inside our designs. If we're going to try it on our own, sarili natin, introduce natin ulit si Andy. Kung hindi ko pa siya pinapakita sa inyo, ito si Andy. Set it and apply it and rasterize the image para mas madali siyang gumalaw. So makita natin dito na nawala na yung smart object na icon niya. Ngayon ay rasterize na siya. So using the Move tool, we can move objects vertically or horizontally or diagonally or circularly. Pero pag pinindot natin yung shift natin, mafi-fix siya sa isang balance motion. Kahit ginagalaw ko na ng left and right yung mouse ko, naka-fix siya sa vertical. So if you move it vertical and then hit, ulit yung shift, horizontal pala. If you move it horizontally and you press shift, and then kahit mag-vertical motion ka ng iyong mouse, horizontal pa rin yung movement niya. Kung intended mo naman is diagonally, naka-fix siya ng vertically, pwede mo siya i-move ng diagonally if you're not going to press shift. Hindi siya nalalak. So ayan, nalak na pala siya. Kailangan makita yung center ng kanyang motion if we're going to move it diagonally. Yan. Hindi siya na-move ng vertical kasi diagonally motion nalak sa kanya. That is by using yung shift key, kagaya ng sinabi ng sa video kanina. Proceed tayo kay Marquee tool. Marami din kamag-anak sa Marquee tool sa loob. Meron siyang rectangular, elliptical, single row at saka single column. Single row and rectangular and elliptical ang gagamitin natin. Diyan tayo mag-focus ngayon. So ano bang meron dyan kay Marquee? Let's find out.
The Marquee tools are used specifically to create rectangular or elliptical selections on your image. They're one of the many ways to create selections in Photoshop. To use the Marquee tools, simply select them from the toolbar or press M as your keyboard shortcut. Next, click and drag over the area you want to select. You can use the Marquee tools to move and transform your selection as well. If you want to constrain your aspect ratio, creating a perfect square or circle, simply hold down the Shift key while dragging. To move your selection while creating it, hold down the spacebar. Move it to the desired location, let go of the spacebar, and apply the transformation. If you want to draw out from the center as you drag, hold down the Alt or the Option key. After you make a marquee selection, you can copy, paste to a new layer, delete, duplicate, or apply effects or adjustments. This gives you the ability to manipulate your selections and create unique images.
And there you have it. Okay, bro. Using yung marquee tool natin. So, ganun lang kasimple. Ginagamit natin sa marquee tool pang select ng areas of our designs in combination kay move tool. Kung kailangan natin siyang i-move, select design na yun. Note, gumagana yan sa mga images lang, hindi siya shape. Saka hindi siya smart object. You need your layer to be rasterized para gumana yung selection natin sa kanya. At ayun, may konting interruption lang tayo sa aking meding maliit. So, like I was saying, meron tayong rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. So, pansinin natin, we use the marquee tool para maglagay ng selection. We use also yung marquee tool para tanggalin siya. Dito or dito. Kung wala naman tong menu na to, just right click on the selection or anywhere basta naka-apply yung marquee mo and hit select. Use the circular or elliptical marquee tool para ma-select natin siya ng round and then move it using yung move tool. You have it. Ang kasunod na tool natin i-discuss is our magic wand tool. Ano ba si magic wand tool? Let's find out.
The Magic Wand tool is a powerful feature in Photoshop, designed for selecting similar areas of color or tone in your images with ease. This versatile tool is perfect for creating masks or making adjustments to specific parts of an image. Press the W key on your keyboard to quickly access the tool or find it in the toolbar. With the Magic Wand tool active, click on the desired area. A new selection outline will appear automatically. To add more areas to your selection, hold down the Shift key while clicking. If you need to deselect or remove part of the selection, hold down the Alt or the Option key and click on the selected area. By default, the Magic Wand tool will make a selection based on the active layer. If you'd like to sample all layers, just enable Sample All Layers in the Options bar. Adjust the tolerance in the Options bar to control the sensitivity of the color matching. A lower number results in a more precise color match, while a higher number selects a broader range of similar colors. For even more control, uncheck the Contiguous option in the Options bar. This allows you to select non-adjacent areas of similar color throughout the image.
Great. Okay. So, yun ating Magic Wand tool. So, basically, pang-select siya ng mga identical na kulay doon sa ating design. So, ginagamit natin si Magic Wand tool para mas madali tayo makaset ng area. Kasi kung wala yan, at ang gagamitin natin ay si marquee tool, hindi natin makukuha itong pinaka-specific na area na kailangan natin. Yun. So, gamit si Magic Wand tool, magagawa natin siya. Diba? Quick selection tool, almost the same, works as the same, para pwede ka mag-set ng area na gusto mong kunin. Na ganyan. Kasi pag ginamit natin si Magic Wand tool dun sa block na yun, pansinin ninyo, Magic Wand tool nga eh. One click and selected na siya lahat. Unlike a quick selection tool, pwede ka mag-select lang specific part na gano'n. Next natin is yung ating lasso tool. Start tayo kay lasso tool. Para saan mo si lasso tool? Let's find out.
The lasso tools in Photoshop provide versatile ways to create custom selections, perfect for making adjustments or creating masks. These powerful tools allow for quick freehand selections as well as beautiful selections with precise line edges. To access the lasso tools, press L on the keyboard or find them in the toolbar. Click and hold the lasso tool icon to reveal the lasso tool and the polygonal lasso tool. The lasso tool lets you make quick freehand selections by drawing around an object or area. The selection will be just as precise as it's drawn. This tool is ideal for quick organic shape selections. To add to the selection, hold the Shift key and draw around additional areas. To remove parts of the selection, hold Alt or Option and draw around the areas you'd like to remove. While using the lasso tool, hold Alt or Option to temporarily convert it to the polygonal lasso tool, allowing for straight lines. When you let go of Alt or Option, it will automatically change back to the lasso tool. The polygonal lasso tool allows you to create custom straight edge selections by clicking on points around an object. To remove selection points, simply press the delete key on the keyboard. To close the selection, either double-click or connect the last point to the first one. Holding the Alt or the Option key while using the polygonal lasso tool will temporarily convert it to the lasso tool, allowing for curved selections. When you let go of Alt or Option, the tool will automatically convert back to the polygonal lasso tool.
Okay, so that's our lasso tool. Ginagamit natin si lasso tool para makapag-freehand selection tayo. Sabi natin freehand, depende kung paano natin isa-select sa kagustuhan natin. Kaya lang mahirap siya, di ba? So kung meron diyang complex, galingan lang tayo ng kamay, patanggalan ng pasma para ma-select natin yung gusto natin. Kung complex man yung area ng selection na pipiliin natin. Kagaya ng sinabi niya, ginagamit natin naman si polygonal lasso tool para makapag-select ng straight and fine lines na pwede natin i-terminate yan at saka yung lasso tool by clicking kung saan ka nagsimula or pag nag-double click ka. Doon yan si lasso tool natin. Meron tayong mga shortcuts na ginagamit kagaya ng sinabi niya by clicking option or so naka-polygonal lasso tool tayo ngayon. And by clicking option or alt, nakapag-freehand tayo ngayon, which is yung lasso tool lang, di ba? Kapag nakaselect yung lasso tool na yan, yung polygonal lasso tool na nakaselect ngayon, straight lines lang kaya niyang gawin. Hindi niya kaya mag-freehand. Straight lines yan. Pero pag si lasso tool, pwede ka mag-freehand. Pero pag pinindot niyo yung alt sa mga keyboards niyo, baka nalilito kayo din sa options and alt. Yung alt ay sa mga Windows computer, option naman sa mga Mac computers. So, alisin natin yung selection ulit. Lasso tool, freehand, hindi yan straight. So, polygonal lasso tool, straight lang, hindi nakakapag-freehand.